In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image in Google Slides. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring that by the end of this guide, you'll have the confidence and know-how to seamlessly add images to your presentations. Let's begin by opening your Google Chrome browser. Once you have that ready, you'll want to sign into your Google account. If you're already signed in, you can skip ahead, but if not, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of your browser window. Click on that and you'll be prompted to choose your account from a list or enter your credentials. If you're prompted, enter your password and press Next. This will take you to your Google account homepage, which is your gateway to all Google applications. Now pay attention to the upper right-hand corner. You'll notice a small icon consisting of 9 tiny square dots. This is your Google Apps menu. Click on it and a drop-down menu will reveal itself, showing different Google services available to you. Scroll through these options and find Google Slides. Click on Slides to open it. Once you're inside Google Slides, locate the presentation you want to work on. You'll see a list of your existing presentations if you have any. If you don't, now might be a good time to create a new one, but today let's focus on inserting an image in an existing presentation. So click on your chosen presentation to open it and get ready to make some visual enhancements. With your presentation now open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here you'll find various options available for editing your presentation. Click on Insert from this menu. Once you've done that, a drop-down menu will appear. You're going to hover over Image to reveal more options specifically for adding pictures to your slides. At this point, you're almost there. From the options that appear, click on Upload from Computer. This option allows you to bring in any photo or image files that are saved directly on your device. A File Explorer window will pop up, enabling you to browse and select the image you wish to use. Navigate through your folders, find the right image, and click on it. Then simply click Open. And there you have it. Your chosen image will now be inserted into your current slide in Google Slides. You can reposition or resize it within your slide to suit your layout and design preferences. This is a simple but effective way to enrich your presentations with visual content. I hope this guide was helpful and made the process of inserting images in Google Slides clearer and easier. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.